Okay, today what I'm going to show you is how you can check your equipment before you start replacing, especially for your laptop or desktop. Okay, there are two things that this software HW Info 64 can detect and provide you with some crucial information in which it will update to you whether you will need to replace it or change it, or your laptop has been become obsolete or not. Okay, now let's look at this. This is the HW Info 64. 64 means 64-bit. Okay, you provide all the necessary information for your laptop, like your system memory, your SSD drive, your power, etc, 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 and so on. But one thing that you need to know is that, especially if you are using SSD and your battery, okay, it will show you this one. The drive remaining life means how long your drive will last. Okay, as you use your SSD, there will be sort of the life expectancy that eventually it will become like less than 50 or whatever. It means like your SSD shell life is going to be over. Okay, but this one is like almost a year old, my laptop, so currently it's 99%. As for the battery, okay, what you can see here is that my wear level, because battery also got its wear and tear, so my wear level out of 100% is 2.6. so what it meant is the remaining would be 97.4%. okay, so my battery life has life expectancy or shell life of around 97% more. Okay, so this will help you estimate, like, okay, how long your laptop may last, or there are some parts, especially crucial parts, that you might need to replace. Okay, on top of it, you can also check in terms of the temperature, like this, the GPU temperature, and then the so-called the hard disk temperature, because if it's too hot, it means something is not right within your laptop. It's either your fan and certain things might not be working correctly, so you might need to clean it or change the fan, etc, etc. Okay, so these are the things that this will be the software that will assist you in terms of understanding more of your laptop, and on top of it, keeping you in check as to when you're going to start replacing things, or when you need to start cleaning your laptop internally, or send for repair, send for services and all that. Okay, till next time, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I thank you for your support. Okay, bye.